If you follow D&D news, then you will have no doubt heard about the all-new Spelljammer Adventures in Space announcement. But what is Spelljammer? First of all, what is Spelljammer and why is it a big deal? Spelljammer was originally released in 1989 by TSR, the original publishers of Dungeons & Dragons, and created a world of adventures within the astral realm. Now, this is a big deal because Spelljammer has only been mentioned in passing in 5th edition Dungeons & Dragons and shown up in a couple books here and there, and this comeback is something that a lot of longtime Dungeons & Dragons fans have been looking forward to. Spelljammer Adventures in Space presents the Astral Plane as a Dungeons & Dragons campaign within the home of the stars and gateway to the heavens, the Astral Plane. Spelljammer creates a setting where you can take on the role of the captain or crew of a special ship which contains a Spelljammer helm, a special helm or wheel of the ship that allows you to cross the Great Divide of the Astral Sea. Beyond that, Spelljammer itself is actually a massive ship, shaped like a manta ray, housing an entire city on its back, floating through the Astral Sea. I mean, how badass is that? On top of that, you also have giant spheres containing entire solar systems floating in space, and Spelljammer ships can traverse that area known as wild space thanks to their magic. This means visiting entire worlds, making it virtually endless in possibilities for different adventure styles. The spheres are also keeping out a crazy element called the phlogiston that all of the spheres are sort of floating in, like a big soup. Not even the gods can manipulate this shit, and to add to that, this world is filled with alien races, weird physics, space pirates, and more. Now remember, this is all of what's in the original Spelljammer, and how much of that world they kept and how much of it they reworked is still unknown. So what's in this new set and when does it come out? The new adventure is set to release on August 16th, 2022. This set contains, and I quote, everything a dungeon master needs to run adventures and campaigns set in the starlit realms of wild space and the astral sea, as well as new options for players who want to create characters at home in this fantastic setting. You will get not one, but 3 books. A 64-page hardcover book for players and dungeon masters, which will include new character races, spells, items, and even plans for your very own ship. You will also get Boo's Astral Menagerie, a 64-page hardcover book for Dungeon Masters that presents game stats and descriptions for over 60 creatures. This includes everything from astral elves, cosmic horrors, new dragons, murder comets, whatever the fuck that is, and space clowns. You will also get The Light of Zerg. A 64-page hardcover adventure for Dungeon Masters that is set in the Astral Plane and designed for characters of levels 5 through 8. The box set comes with a double-sided poster map of an asteroid city and a DM screen specifically designed for use with the books. So there you have it, everything you need to know about the new Spelljammer set. I'm very excited about this one. I hope you are too. If you want to reserve your own copy of Spelljammer Adventures in Space, head down to the link below where you can pre-order it now. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, feed your Displacer Beasts, and we'll see you next time, adventurers.